fucking night before.
22 hours.
10 o'clock finished!
Yeah, what's the clock now?
It's over. It's over. It's finished. Okay.
Okay, keep it.
Just-
Keep it. We'll keep it.
Tomorrow again, I got a VIP on you thrown out.
Okay, we'll keep it.
that's okay.
Keep it. It's yours. Keep it.
No, you keep it, read it!
Okay.
It's over now.
It's over every night!
Every night what? What is it?
He says you keep quiet!
So keep.
Keep quiet, you do.
I'll fucking push it through your fucking head, you stupid cunt.
Cunt? What does it mean, cunt? I don't know the word.
Okay, I'll call it.
It's right there. How is it?
It's called a place, yeah.
That's okay.
Fine, I'll call it.
That's good. Call please. Hey, nice to meet you. Hey, man. Good night.
Nice to meet you too. Já si myslím, že to je tady fakt dělá bordel, ty vole.
Jo, jasně, ona tam 13 volají, že na VIPčku má být do 22 hodin.
Ale tak pojďme tam.
To je všude potom. To je všude, to je prostě
Máme taky to super balkon, úplně mimo všechny.
tak jo, tak jdem, ty vole.